paid $750 in federal income taxes in 2016 and 2017. Afghan official Abdullah in Pakistan for talks on peace bid. "23 people have been killed during clashes between Armenia and Azerbaijan in the Nagorno-Karabakh region. Saudi Arabia has said that the G20 Leaders Summit will be held virtually on the 21st and 22nd of November this year. In Yemen, Yemen's government and Houthis rebels have agreed to exchange over 1,000 prisoners. In Indonesia, 10 people have been killed due to landslide triggered by heavy downpours in Kalimantan province. Houthis violated children's rights almost 66,000 times in 4 years. In Afghanistan, 12 Taliban have been killed and several others injured in clashes with security forces in Kunduz province.